The Nikon D300s is not just a camera. It's a tool that holds the power to capture moments, emotions, and memories. It goes beyond its technical specifications and becomes a faithful companion on the creative journey of a photographer. With every click of its shutter, it captures not only pixels, but also a piece of the photographer's heart. Hi everyone, I'm Chris. For those of you who don't know who I am, I basically post videos about photography, cameras, and gear. Now in this video, I'll be showing sample photos taken with a Nikon D300s. For anybody looking for this camera who might be in the market for even buying this camera used, which is all you can get nowadays, you might be interested to see how this camera works in a real life scenario. So go ahead and stay tuned to see what these pictures look like. Now, every photographer has their own creative style. I'm not trying to brag or anything and say my pictures are better, but I just want to show you what I've gotten so that you guys can maybe see if you would like to buy this camera. Now this camera is a little bit older, but it's still a very valuable camera to have because it takes amazing pictures even for today. It is 12.3 megapixel, so it's not bad. It's not up to 24 or higher, but having that kind of resolution can really take up a lot of memory on the computer. And if you don't have a lot of space on your computer, well, maybe having this kind of camera is better for you. This camera is great at taking pictures. It'll get you nice dynamic range and depth of field. It'll get you nice crisp photos, especially if you're using it with really nice glass. Then you're gonna get some really great photos. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to those photos and I'm gonna show you what this thing can do. As a photographer peers through their viewfinder, they are transported into a world of endless possibilities. The 12.3 megapixel sensor breathes life into every image, capturing intricate details, vibrant colors, and subtle nuances. It has the ability to turn ordinary scenes into extraordinary works of art, invoking emotions that resonate deep within the viewer's soul.
If you like what you see so far, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and please have a wonderful day.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please make sure you hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel because it helps get this video out to other people who might be looking for this kind of video to see what this camera can do, if they are also in the market of buying this used camera. And go ahead and make sure you share if you'd like to, or hit the notification bell if you want to get notified for when I post more videos on this channel. I'm trying to build a great community, trying to make this awesome for everybody, and I want everybody to share their experience with their cameras and what they've had to go through even as a photographer while using these cameras. I think it's just great to hear people's stories and learn from them as well. So that's what I'm trying to do here, just create a community that can help each other, that can get people where they need to be in their photography. If you're new, awesome, join in, get involved. You know, this is what I'm trying to build and make this something amazing. All right, guys. Well, I hope you're all doing well. Please take care, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.
If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to get notified when new videos get posted. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider checking out some of the other videos on the links at the end of this video.